Nkene gwara unu n'ebe ọ dị ukwuu. Ugboro m ọzọ alizi na nso n'ubi asa anyị bụ unu hapụ ibu na-emebi adị. Ghọtara na ọ bụkwa na onwe onye nwe ihu jiri n'ibe ma anụ dị ta n'ibe ma ọ ma o ji enwu n'ibe ya. But unu bịadịrị nke m n'ọhụ ugwu n'okwere m. Ndụkwa hapụ. So even though na anyị dịkwa ha mba anọji hotel from time to time anyị na-anọjikwa hotel area. Ma onwe ibe na-azọ ma onwe ibe na-azọ anyị na-anọji like this right from time. So we watch a few months ago every aspirant of different capacities made their interest known on air. My own has been on air as I was vying for the position of House of Assembly member in our own constituency. So, which I had the people's support. How come we know we came in the onwekwo ndị ọga evu n'ebe envelope. Nkwa onye ọga ma nke asụ onye ọma akwa godfather ekwukwa m n'ibe godfather because no ma ibe godfather bụ ibe ndị bịara anyị na condition anyị nọ nta. Onye bịa debe ahụ na-enwe godfather ma ọ bụ na onwe uru ọ bụla ya bịa yọọ ibe aka were onye. But even everybody question water. The best thing to do is just to build on your personality. Your personality can guarantee that capacity. Like go choice or even money with supporters. Go for time I had that 12 votes. After on where can go choice equal he have 5,000. Make you give a one man and woman. What I didn't get through because no even remember it before. So every one of you know at least no when he came money meet you or don't anchor. No when money at the point of need. And they did not go back disappointed. At least all those who are here in the middle, I was not doing it for any political intention. I never had in mind maybe by this time of this year. Now when it came out, maybe political movement. I was just living a normal life, trying to help others to grow. I think that is the greatest investment. So, I don't know, maybe I told you, maybe I don't check. I actually say for the post on Facebook. You know, woman, I'm Facebook. So, but now, Unubendi youth, of course, also youth, even based also Nunchin or never, no one didn't say. Yeah, when I actually may you what I guess you or every part of this village are represented. So, but then just my mayor because no one didn't access people to talk to. I can easily access people within Nkoroto here. So that is why you say Poku Odunu. She told the neighbor. Now pass out the original, you know what to be telling others. With political affiliation. Some of our friends, the other political party. But one thing about politics, I told them to build the political life on the ground that maybe onye no neighbor hire your enemy. That is not the way to grow. David no one party, then when you call governor when a minister. If you rule on over go on neighbor, I cannot dispute the fact that everybody with the zeal like to enter anywhere. So far as you are interested in to protect them. But let your interest not supersede that interest of the masses. Whatever in the interest of the society, let it take precedence. So that good name even him. When certain things if we make without consulting, like even the people like this are bound to answer or bear bad name because of attitude. So you name even know me. So consider the area about an issue. Then secondly, people that are not started from various political platforms. We know one left from APC because no party in Nasabuba. From Bambu PDP, your APC, we are still working for them and we are still working with them. So, the same political party even to left from the House of Assembly, which Mbu knows some years on it. So, and the people were willing to buy the form, even if I don't want to buy the form. When they do willing, like to use their money and buy the form. Which most of them, Bundiago, Agundinjegu, MNOH is a good that will not try. But then if you know, go with the right person, Boguji event, and those are okay. That was just the interest. But maybe at a point, ndị ọga anyị na-asa ahụ. Jiri aka ha so na ha chọrọ ịkwado Osuji nwanne ọnụ. Ọkwụnna what even there. Na chọrọ ịkwado Osuji nwanne ọnụ. And I cannot fight them. You won't know who I'm because now my no one will put me here. There's nothing I can do. I cannot fight them. And then match on okay. Maybe as a result of desperation, you just also go back again a party also get another ticket. A lot of parties will be willing to give me the ticket. But I'm not desperate. My interest is not my problem. I don't have money, but I'm not starving. But I know, at a point in Congo, you liability to eBay. So, and the go also one call you carry and wonder along, see the best, it will not still make you the richest. So, no one has gas even from Ijego, but I'm richer than them. Because I have people. So, even when I see your governance, no, Sahara one. Men will wait for their Guru. When Jesus and Balutan Tavern, at least next Sunday, then you wait for no moon. Also, don't enter the church and turn over the Jewish church. Because you have an amount of your poor universe. Emma, people with their different mindsets. Over there, what you can have in the house. Osama one no actually ego. Nobody gave me one and I cannot collect money from anybody. I'm not stepping down because anybody is superior to me. I don't just want same way issues in our community because of my issue. I don't want any issue like for my sake. No. Let's just work together. That's not who can carry me. So evil is not the end of it. I want to appreciate two people for the love. It was massive. Because I know this is the very first time I'm coming out to vie for any political position. But you know when you know and I'm not a hand or some to them. So you not to happen on in Diego. No, I have my name with people. I don't every people in it. My name when them was my mother make me bad okay. And that is because I have people like you. So, number one, even if it was going to like be a kind of show of love. And that's when you whatever you share, it will make everybody to begin to work on his or her personality. A man is even not a matter of political platform. They're going after a party, every man again more personality, you cannot go anywhere. Then because a situation where some of our youth will be financially stable to the extent that even you go back, you may be questioning him. To vote for a period of 4 years. Your future within that 4 years, everybody around you is after 4 years, imagine your next future. So that is the more reason why anytime we need to take a decision on who to follow, forget about maybe no man in a way going down. Even you don't work, always even on your way. That's not who can carry me. So evil is not the end of it. I want to appreciate two people for the love. It was massive. Because I know this is the very first time I'm coming out to vie for any political position. But you know when you and I'm not a hand or some to you to them. So you not to happen on in Diego. No, on a hand, my name with people. I don't every people in it. My name when them was my mother make me bad okay. And that is because I have people like you. So number one, even it was going to like be a kind of show of love. And that's when you whatever you share, it will make everybody to begin to work on his or her personality. A man is even not a matter of political platform. They're going after a party, every man again more personality, you cannot go anywhere. Then because a situation where some of our youth will be financially stable to the extent that even you go back, you may be questioning him. To vote for a period of 4 years. Your future will so yes, man, even so that some of you will show me only we vote. If I do, who's only Have I been surviving? Yes, is the answer. But yes, you can still survive without that person. So imagine when you have to people, they only want 3,000, see maybe because you will say no. I continue to imagine when you go to the future. Before you know it, only 30 years, I have 40 years. We see, you can't eating. How we even say, no one when you go to the next step, but I know when I come, you know, the only person in man, no, Osama high. No one on your money and power, because I know when you saw if I want to my dinner, perhaps from a woman step, but I will be some Osama half fever, say me for a gunko. Another even some cool, who also the cute Asha, Sama 23. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Youth, APC, next level. And the Kerekunu, our garant and able youth for answering to this call. Our elder brother and a philanthropist, because now I couldn't be youth, mbu philanthropist, not some as number one. Nkuranye. So, nive I tell you Kurunyo Osama. Abuka with also. No, I now commend his decision to work with the party. His decision to let go for peace and stability to remain in our community. Because now, the zeal I know why the youth in the Osama. But immediately our governor made the pronouncement. No. We said okay, we have to wait and hear from our brother. So now I can Osama for the decision. They can why the youth. Now so the same support. And intervene Osama before. Because find the support also no. So youth, action. Thank you very much.